Money makes the world go round is a well-known idiom in English. It means that if you want to buy a house, or travel round the world or study at a good college or university, you will need money, and probably lots of it. So, how can you get more money to do all these things? How can you become rich? Many people will give you lots of different advice. Here is my own personal list of 5 simple and practical things you can do to make your bank account really take off. Number 1. Save your money. Don't always spend the money you make on things you don't really need. Here is an often used illustration of what I mean. If you spend $3 on a cup of coffee every day at work, that's $15 per week, or about $60 a month. Over a year, that will cost you about $720, and over 20 years, all those cups of coffee will add up to $14,000. Number 2. Choose your friends carefully. Make friends who are rich, or want to become rich, just like you do. When you do this, you will learn more about how to make money. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, gives this advice. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Number 3. Find out what you really love to do, and then focus your time and energy on that. Steve Jobs, creator of Apple Computer, often talked about focus. You need to be so excited about what you do that it makes you get up early in the morning, while other people are still sleeping.
Woo!
Number 4. The 4th thing you can do to become rich might sound a bit strange. Don't work. Robert Kiyosaki, the famous author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, says that perhaps you should try to start your own successful business instead of working for someone else. Does that mean you should be the boss? No, he says, being a boss is also a kind of job, and takes too much time and hard work. Instead, pay someone to be the company boss for you. Very simply, you should first own a business, and then make your money do all the work for you.
Woo!
Finally, number 5. Start young and keep learning from your financial mistakes. You are human and, no doubt, over time you will make many of them. But that's okay. It's easier to lose $10,000 when you are 25 than when you are 65.
Woo!
The speaker doesn't say if traveling around the world is more expensive than studying at a college. The speaker uses an example of someone buying a cup of coffee each day. But this is only an example. You should choose friends who are also interested in making money, and who can teach you more about it. The speaker says that, according to Steve Jobs, perhaps you should get up early to work at something you love doing. Robert Kiyosaki says that you should hire someone to be the boss for you, so that you don't have to work so hard. The speaker says that making money mistakes can, in fact, help you to learn more about making money. The author of Rich Dad Poor Dad is Robert Kiyosaki.
Did you know? You can now take lots more multi-level English listening quizzes for free at www.allthingslistening.com. Link in the description below.